Say the ID and start. I have your name and ID. Just give me the topic.
As history notice, William.
Okay, history.
7th.
Yes, you can start. Yes.
Now. Slow and steady moves the race, unity is the sprint. These are all the experiences and quotes given by the ancestors. History is something that we experience, it is not something that we learn. My teacher in the classroom asked everyone, how is history useful? No one could answer it. Then our teacher told that history is the book of mistakes. History is the book of mistakes because it tells us about who made what mistake, what did he experience, what did him or her made to do it. For example, Hitler did not want Jews to live, so he killed them in a lot of number. This shows that simple racial discrimination or some discrimination, we can't kill them because they do have right to live, right to freedom, and etc. We can also say that history is a subject that doesn't teach us anything because it is we and us who have to see every bit of it and learn and apply it in our lives. For example, if we take freedom, in many fields now we see like Lagan and etc. We can see that if freedom is not given, people become very frustrated and they take rebellious with the government. If freedom is not given, people become very violent. So freedom is a must. Then we can see that wars are something that are very bad because wars encourage violence. If you see World War I and II, which are major wars, a lot of money was used in these world wars. Also, if you see, a lot of money was spent and this was making the country not to develop, but to go back to the Stone Age. We can also say that history has taught us to live together happily. If we live together, we can complete our task easily. For example, we have the story of the pigeons and rat. If we work together, we can achieve things easily. And also, each and every code, quotations, and everything we learned today, yesterday, and before the times we were born, everything is history. Now it's history. So we can say that history is something that does